Hello everyone, my name is Cristina Castro and I'm going to explain the homework number 2, the problem B-18.07. This problem is about a comparison that is preparing a business. There are given us information about the total fixed cost, the total variable cost, and the total revenues. The first problem is to determine the level of volume reduction that Cantina can absorb before becoming unprofitable. Well, the first step to doing here is to find the marginal utility, and this is resting the total revenues less the variable cost, and we obtain a result of this. Next, we need to find the contribution margin ratio. We need to use the marginal utility and the total revenues. And here is a division. We divide the marginal utility with the total revenues, and we obtain in 67%. Next of all, we calculate the break-even point of sales, and then we need to have the total fixed cost, the margin ratio, and from that formula we need to divide the total fixed cost with the margin ratio, and we obtain this result. So the problem says how much the company can absorb. So it can absorb 20% because the formula is that the reduction that we obtain here, we divided with the total revenues, and that is when we obtain the 20%. So the company can absorb 20%, and the reduction is of this quantity of money. In units, it's 20% of units. In money, the next problem, it says that distinguish between committed fixed costs and discretionary fixed costs, and they're asking us what is the importance of the distinction in planning of business cycles. So, committed fixed costs are generally unavoidable, and